Before the video starts, I just want to say sorry about the sound in the background, like if you hear some screaming and like my talking, just know that it's my mom and my brother and my little brother talking. His friend is here, and as you can see, I filmed 3 times. Most of them are screaming, and the second 2 are like my mom and dad speaking. Yeah, so I'm sorry. I'm just gonna try to cut it out if I find some editing software for this macOS version. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. So yeah, enjoy the video, I guess. And in today's video, we have macOS. Oh wait, not macOS. OS X 10.9.5, and these are the specs: 2.5 gigahertz Intel Core i5, 16 gigs of memory, and this is a 2012 MacBook Pro, 13-inch, and also has 2 SSDs and Intel Graphics 4000, 1 gigabyte, so it's integrated graphics. And yeah, so we'll be finding out if we can still use this macOS version in 2026. As you can see, this kind of looks like Snow Leopard, but don't be fooled. It's actually just macOS Mavericks. As you can see, macOS Snow Leopard doesn't have the App Store, and as you can see, the string number says it's 10.9.5, and it can go to more info. And yeah, don't get fooled. If I go to software update, and as you can see, that's the macOS Snow Leopard. Oh wait, not Snow Leopard, Mavericks logo. And as you can see, this is the version 10.9.5. So yep, it's Mavericks. And before the video actually starts, I'm sorry that I wasn't posting much. As you can see, 5 months ago, this was a dumb video. I don't post much, you know. I don't have ideas, so these are the only videos. And there's some cringe videos. Like these videos are the worst videos ever. I hate them so much, but I don't want to remove them. These are just gaming videos. These 2 are fire. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna talk about my channel, but I'm sorry that I wasn't posting much. I'm gonna try to do more videos, maybe, if I have time, because school is here. No, I might do more videos on the holidays, but only if I get ideas. If I don't have ideas, I'm not doing. So yeah, a bit about OS X Mavericks. It was released in 2013, October 22nd, and it was first announced on WWDC 2013. That was on June 10th, 2013. You can read more about it, but whatever. So yeah, let's start the video. So the website I use to get almost everything work is Mavericks Forever. Shout out to them. This website gives you the whole explanation on how to make it work. It gives applications and stuff like that. And yeah, so shout out to them. So let's begin. So first off, browsing. I mean, you have to browse on a laptop, you know. You have to browse the web and stuff. You gotta watch videos. Now, Safari, the browser that is on here, is broken. You cannot use that at all. Let me just load up Google, for example, and go in English. Alright, and let me just search for sample Mac OS Mavericks. It won't work. As you can see, you'll see if you're having trouble accessing Google search, please click here or send feedback. When you click here, it doesn't work. Oh, let me just go to, for example, eBay. I don't know. Nope, it's broken. As you can see, no photos, nothing. It's broken. Wait, what? That's actually kind of a good deal, no? 769.99. That's a good deal. That's not my post, by the way, so I'm not shouting out my own like page, bro. That's not mine. I just think that's good because 17 Pro Max is ass. Sorry for swearing. Well, let me just go to Disney, I guess. Disney.com, you know. Nope, doesn't load. Oh, what about YouTube, you know? Oh no, wait, it loads. Just like yo. Yeah, go. Europe, whatever. Italy, I don't care, just load. Yeah, it works fine, as you can see. Kind of loads, but the photos are broken, of course. Oh wait, no. Okay, no, it's kind of broken, I can see. But kind of works. I mean, it's good. Okay, last website I'm gonna check is youtube.com. And it would just give you this. Please update the browser. Remind me later does nothing, so there's no point of using that. Well, the first thing you can do is, well, remove Safari entirely because you don't need it. So you just type this command here into terminal and you're done. And get a browser, something like Momiji or Pale Moon that I'm using right now. This basically makes these website work because this is running on newer browser, something I don't know. It has newer certificates, I think, and yeah. You can also get Aqua Proxy and Open SSH. But the thing is, what I recommend doing is when you install macOS Maverick, you do the initial setup and download all of these things. These are necessary. Just download all the patches, all the proxies, all the components and stuff like that. Just download everything because it's gonna make your computer like better, you know. But yeah, once you get Pale Moon, you can access newer websites such as Google. Let me just show you Google right now. Google.com. And let's go, for example, Mac OS Mavericks. And it will load and you get details about it. There you go. It's 10th major release of Mac. And you can go to, for example, Wikipedia. But Wikipedia just died on me and I don't know how to fix it. It worked when I did it on the first video or the first shot right here. I made the first shot and it worked fine. I don't know why it doesn't work now. But you can watch YouTube videos. So let's just load this video. This is the worst video I created. I used Bandicam when I had OBS. The grammar was ass. Sorry. What was I doing, bro? I was trying to load Wii U channels. But yeah, it's capped on 720p, but you can use 1080p also, so yeah. Let's go to the websites we tried. So let's try eBay. There we go, and as you can see, all the photos are loading. But it is laggy because it's, well, an old computer. Oh wow, I can see the iPhone 16 Pro Max I saw. That's cool. But yeah, it works fine. As you can see, eBay is eBay. Why am I using the trackpad when I have a mouse? It works fine. Let's see if there's a MacBook Pro 2012 on here. There's a lot of them actually. Look at that. All the colors. Yo, I have never seen these colors. Are these modded? Oh, it's a DVD player. Wow. No way they're marking it as a DVD player. Yeah, but there's good deals actually. These are kind of... Well, these are expensive, but they actually look legit. Not like those colored ones. If you search enough, you can find the same laptop I have. So, yeah. Now let's go to Disney.com. And it should load instantly. Well, almost instantly. But first you have to select your destination. So I'll just select Italy again, so we can compare it. See, you loaded faster. Now you get those cookies, and now it looks correctly. You loaded correctly. So yeah, you can use the web as normal, like, but it also lags a little bit, but you can use it. It works fine. As you can see, it's smooth. Now if I go to Safari, let's go to Disney. Okay, now I don't know what I was typing, but as you can see, it works. It's way smoother. You can swipe faster. So yeah, you can indeed use the web browser, for example, Pale Moon and Momiji or any other browser you find. So Safari is useless basically. All right, let's go to the next app, which is Mail. Now, Mail, in my opinion, is a cool app. It was fun making it work. So let me check if I have emails that are sensitive. Just load up Mail. As you can see, it works fine. Now you can also send emails. So I'm gonna send an email to my other Google account. Okay. Alright, so let me just test. I can also, why not, make the text big and send it. There we go, it's sent. I received the email on my phone. It was almost instant. And you can also see the preview, I guess. There you go. You can reply to it. Alright, test received. And to receive emails, it takes a bit more. So, like, it takes longer. Okay, you know what? I have to blur that. So, there's Find My. Oh, freak, bro. Yeah, I'll have to fix it, bro. I'll have to blur out some stuff, so. But, as you can see, test received, so it works. But how does that actually work? Well, it's actually pretty hard to do. It's way harder than just logging into your Google account through the internet accounts. Just like going like this, enter your email and enter your password. It's way harder than you think. Now, you cannot just do that. You have to actually click here, scroll down, and add another account. And before you can actually just fill your email as normal like this. But for the password, you have to do something different. If you enter your password, it might work and it might log you in. But then the Mail app would just be junk. It wouldn't work and do nothing. It wouldn't receive emails. It wouldn't send emails. It would just fail. What you have to do is you can go to this website again, Mavericks Forever. Scroll down to online services, Google accounts, and you can go to this website here and enable two-step verification. And there's no other way to avoid this. Then you have to select the app passwords. You have to get and you just go to the app's password. Find app's passwords. I'm sorry that I have to repeat 5 times, but yeah, you have to find app passwords, and then you have to add a new app password, make a new name for it, for example mail or something, and then you'll get a 16 character password, and you have to enter that password right here where it says password. So what did I just do? Did I break it? It's something. Okay, no, I didn't break it. Okay, no, I didn't break it. But yeah, you have to use the app password instead of the normal password you use every day, like I don't know, password 123, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, that's that. You can use Gmail, but you have to do that complicated things. You can also use calendar, but you have to follow right here. This thing. But I didn't do that because I didn't want to. Alright, so the next thing is contacts. That works. Calendar. You know what calendar is. Reminders works. Notes works. But you cannot sync your notes to, you cannot sync notes for some reason. I'll show you what I mean in a bit. Now, iMessage actually works. Let me show you. I'll send lol, for example, and I have my phone here, and it will just type that in on my phone. As I can't show you, but I got the message on my phone. Well, since I'm texting myself, I get the message I typed. So I type lol, and it's lol. It just sends me a lol again, but I can type on my phone. So I'll type hello. Hello everyone. It shows there, so it works. Now the sad thing is iMessage does work, but you cannot use FaceTime at all. It won't work. These buttons would have worked, but since I ran the initial setup, it removed the app, which doesn't work anymore. So there's no app for FaceTime anymore. So that means FaceTime doesn't work. But yeah, photo booth. Oh yeah, before I actually show you the other apps, let me actually show you the second thing. Well, it's kinda similar to iMessage and stuff. iCloud. Logging into iCloud on this old machine is very hard. You can't. So first off, you cannot use keychain at all. Let me show you. As you can see, iCloud keychain does not work. Also, Notes Creator and Maverick may not sync. Yeah, it doesn't sync for some reason, but yeah, Notes doesn't sync, so that's sad. But the thing is, to log into your iCloud account, it's way harder than you think. So you literally have to enter your email. Okay, whatever. Enter your email, blah, blah, blah. Then for your password, you enter it. You press sign in, and then you'll get a code on your different phone. It will be a 6-character code. And you want to enter it at the end of the password. So for example, 876-321. And you click sign in. And then it won't work because it's not an actual email address with the actual password. But yeah, you get a code to that iCloud, and then you can log in. That sometimes works, but sometimes it gives you an error that it's like wrong password or something, or verify later. I don't know why, but that sometimes happens. But sometimes it says it's an error, and then you get the code. So when you get the code, you just want to try putting it at the end of the password. But apps like Messages, if you try to log in, it will just fail. It won't say anything. It will just say failed to connect and stuff like that. But the thing is, I don't know what, but like yesterday when I tried to log in, I had to sign out, and then I tried signing in back in. It didn't work at all. It just failed. Like it just says wrong password the whole day. I don't know why, but iCloud is a mess. So yeah, but I got it to sign in, so that's good. All right, next app, Photo Booth. You know what that is? App Store. Basically, an app store, but it's pretty useless, to be honest. You cannot download anything. Well, let me go to WhatsApp. Get app. Install app. Nope, you cannot do that. You have to install a newer version of Mac. So App Store is broken, kind of, because you can't download anything. Also, you cannot log into Twitter, but you can log into Blue Sky instead, which is kind of cool, I guess. And these things don't work also. Just wanted to mention that. Preview works. Dictionary is a dictionary. Let's see Mac OS. OS X. Yeah, it works. This one works. Yeah, the dictionary works, I guess. That's good. Calculator is a calculator. These are normal. Mission control is mission control. But dashboard, you can also make it work. Like weather didn't work at first, and so this didn't work. But you can actually fix it and make it work. As you can see, I made them both work. This is connected to New York, and this is for that conversion, I guess. How did I make this? How did I make it work? So you want to go to this website, mavericksforever.com, and go to app library, and you want to scroll down, and you find these, the fixed Apple widgets. You download them, install them, and then you can put the new widgets on here. So yeah, pretty simple. Works. System preferences works. Pale Moon. Now these apps are downloaded. You can download them in this website right here, or just go to this website and click app library, and you find all of these apps. So let's begin. Things, I'm guessing this is just a reminder tool, so you can create new, and it's just, yeah, you could just make yourself a reminder, add tags, do to, and yeah, it's something like reminders, I guess. Graph Sketcher is a graph sketcher. You paint graphs. But I don't know how to use it, so I cannot use it. I don't need graphs yet in my school, so yeah, you can paint graphs in this, so pretty cool. Solver is also pretty cool. You can type any equation and yeah, you can do anything with this app. It's pretty cool. You can line numbers, I guess. You can use some reference. It's pretty cool, I guess. It basically solves your equation. Now Zoom, I'm shocked that this still works. This Zoom client is for 2022, and it's probably fixed to work on Mavericks. If I find Zoom, it's a lot of apps here. Social. The last version of the Zoom video conferencing client compatible with OS X Mavericks still works as of March 2026. I don't know where I got the 2020. Oh, yeah, 2022. Okay. Yeah. This is from 2022. But the cool thing is you can still join and do meetings in here. So let me start a meeting on my phone. First off, let me change my username because I don't want to show my username again. Alright, I set my username. Let me create a meeting. No video, no audio, just there. Let me go into meeting info and okay, let's make there we go. Enter the meeting password. Perfect. It's verifying, connecting, and then I need to let myself in. Alright. And there we go. As you can see, it works fine. Let me just give myself admin on this account. Let me just give host, I guess. And I can even share screens. I can use the whiteboard. And it works fine, but it does lag a little bit. But yeah, you can use this. I mean, I can send emails. But yeah, it also says this thing. This message meeting has a new chat compatibilities. Upgrade your Zoom to experience the new features. It just says that, but yeah, because it's an old Zoom. It's old Zoom, so basically, yeah. I don't know. Let me just leave the meeting, I guess. There we go. But yeah, Zoom works. I'll just speed run through these because some of them are boring. Now we have emulation software right here. Just want to tell you, only use these emulation softwares if you own the games. So I'm not gonna play any games. So yeah, I'm safe. I don't want this video taken down, so YouTube, I don't know. I'm not gonna play any games in this, so yeah. It works fine, as you can see. It's running. Also, it's in Netherlands for some reason. I don't know why. I mean, I speedrun through the setup, so I didn't want to waste time. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, this Dolphin works. This Dolphin and GameCube emulator. That's a 3DS, and that's a lot of emulators like DS, NES, SNES, Genesis, and GameCube, and not GameCube, Game Boy, all in one. So again, don't use these only if you have the games and consoles. You know, I have a Wii, so yeah. Fetch it's a FTP software, so yeah, but it's paid, so you have to pay for it. Pages is a Word like application, but it's from Apple, so as you can see, it's let me just copy this and use it in something, bro. I don't know if I need to if I need to make a report. TextMate is something like Notepad++ and Visual Studio Code. Yeah, you could just use this as there. It's a basic app, you know, for Notepad++. It's like Notepad++. VMware Fusion. Yeah. It's VMware, but for Mac, so that's all. That's it. It's kind of good, you know. It's different than VMware on Windows. As you can see, there's a lot of things you can do. Like I can install OS X from the recovery partition. Like, bro, I can install OS X 10.9 in a virtual machine running OS X 10.9, which is crazy, bro. Okay, it's preparing. Oh, let me see if it actually works. Oh, let's see if it actually boots. I'm not gonna install it because it's gonna take a lot of time. Did it freeze? Oh wait, no, I have a mouse cursor, so it's actually booting. And I know that it is from the VM. Oh yeah, look at this. It works. Yeah, I can reinstall OS X if I really want to, but I won't, so OS X, continue. It will just give me an error because, well, I do not have a disk setup, so we'll just, oh wait, it is set up, alright. But yeah, as you can see, this VMware Fusion, I'm not gonna use it. Like, I'm not gonna install Mac OS, maybe for now. Maybe if I don't decide to make a tutorial on how to make it usable, actual step-by-step tutorial. Numbers, it's an Excel app. Keynote, it's a PowerPoint app. By the way, Pages, Numbers, Keynote are made by Apple, so yeah. And now Google Maps, this isn't actually like an app for Google Maps. It's, I think, just a web app. As you can see, this is the same app. I loaded it because I didn't want to leak my city. I mean, yeah. So let's go for something like Florida. And let's go Florida. And like, I don't know, let me go to Venice. And yeah, it's 19 degrees in Venice. Alright. Not bad, I guess. Let's put street pass right here, I guess. Who lives here? Comment down below. Yeah, it's this here. Who lives here? Comment down below. Alright. Whatever. Google Maps. Yeah. QuickTime Player. This is a modded one. This is from I think Lion or Mountain Lion. I don't know. This is Discord. Doesn't work. No. I don't know why. I used Discord Legacy Patcher which patches Discord to work on older systems, but it didn't work, so I don't know why. But there's also a client called Discord Lite, which is basically Discord, but it's a fan made, I guess. And lastly, iTunes. Well, yeah, that's it for the applications, but we can go check out the components now. And yeah. Oh, by the way, all of these apps, like, work. I didn't test these two, and Discord, it doesn't work, and I think iTunes will work. But yeah, almost all of these work from this list here, you know. Alright, the components now. Okay, let's go. Internet. This is the web browser. This is for photos. For example, if I go right here, scroll down right here, it just shows the image in mail, for example. It would have shown a small square with an X, but since I installed the Aqua proxy, it shows the actual photo. This just updates emojis. It adds more emojis. So that's pretty cool. This just shows how to delete apps. There's some security patches which I recommend installing. This is a mail plugin that fixes the zero-click vulnerability. This is a small patch for that vulnerability. It's for font, I guess. And this is just to update the OpenSSH. This is just tutorials on how to put these mails into your Gmail, I guess. QuickTime Player, this is the 10.2 mod, which is from Mountain Lion. And these are the components. What's different between this and the Mavericks one? It supports third-party QuickTime components. So you can install all of these. And this plays these files, this plays all of that, and that one plays that. Now this media subscriptions is like it downloads videos, you know. You put a YouTube channel in settings, so you go to settings and you go to this media subscription thing, and I can show you, but yeah, you basically add a YouTube channel into there. Just press the plus and add a YouTube channel, and then every day it would just download some videos to the movies folder, so you can watch, on QuickTime, you know. This is just downloading, I guess. It just downloads videos from the application menu. Oh, you select the link and it downloads the video automatically. Wait, I should try that, no? Yeah, I'll try that right now. Wait. Okay, archives and images. This is basically an archive extender or something. So you install this, and then you install these two. This adds 7-zip, RAR, and other types of compressed files, and this adds more like previews. So you hold space and it just shows more previews. There's also some technical details, and lastly, customizations. This the customization plugin pack, and that's Snow Leopard window controls. And that's it. Now you go here and you have the applications. I won't go through these. You can go through all of them if you want. Install all of them or some of them. I don't know. But yeah, let's try the last thing. And let me just go into a video. Let's go to a cool video now. Pause it, actually pause it. Now I go to security and privacy. Oh shit. There's a lot of apps on this device. Okay, I'm going the wrong way. Where is it? Accessibility? No, it's not accessibility. Is it... Trying to remember where it is. Somewhere in services. Oh yeah, keyboard and then shortcuts, and then you go to services, and then there you go, download video, and then you select, for example, this command, this. Oh, yeah, bro, like all the keybinds are already taken, bro. There, I set a keybind, probably hoping that it isn't taken. I'm gonna play the video anyways, bro. Yo. Okay, I think I downloaded it like 1,000 times. Let's see. It's gone, bro. There's nothing here. I don't know if that even works. Well, I'm gonna check. I'll probably check the movies folder later. Anyways, that's all for this video. Let me just close out of everything. The computer's fans are spinning up. But yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll try to post more. Also, I'm sorry that I kept stuttering and stuff like that. No, I don't film with my voice that much, so yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll link some links in the description. I don't know how, but this video took longer than this one. I don't know how, but that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.